It's a gorgeous, bright and sunny day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we have 2023 Volkswagen Jetta, still under factory warranty. This has about a year of factory warranty left, or 50,000 miles, whichever one comes first. This car has somewhere in the 40s for mileage. We'll get the exact in the car. Gorgeous black on black 2023. Heated seats, has big pano roof, huge sunroof for a sedan, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I love these. They almost look black, but when you get up and close, especially in the sunlight, you can see these are actually like a metallic gray anthracite dual 5-spoke wheel with those look like a brand new set of tires on it as well. Tons of tread life. Sorry for my shadow. We have a low hanging sun here this morning. Front end is in good shape though. Really good shape. Another look at those great all season tires. I love the dark gray. I call it an anthracite gray wheel. Just has a really nice look to it. Factory all-weather Jetta floor mats. Driver's seat's in great shape. You can see no rips, no tears. Again, letting a ton of light in with that big old sunroof there. Back seats are in great shape as well. And then these Jettas actually have a really spacious trunk, as well as we have folding seats here. I'll pull this lever right here, and then Maddie, you might have to help me fold this. We got folding seats, so nice pass through there if you need it. Really spacious trunk on this one, and this is the SE model as well, so that'll get you the heated seats, panoramic roof, lots of other goodies we'll go over inside the car. Sighting down the passenger side here, I'm not seeing a whole lot of anything in terms of cosmetic issues here. I do see one here. Looks like we do have a little dent here on the driver's door and a small little scratch that has been touched up. But other than that, this car is in phenomenal shape. Had a gentleman that just walked in, so we're gonna get him helped out, and then we'll take this for a drive here in a second. All right, turns out he was just here for service, so let's hop in and take it for a spin. Get buckled up here. See, 47,048 miles on this one. Get buckled up, push button start. Fires right up, all the warning lights come on, and then they're gonna clear, as they should. I'm gonna lower down my seat a little bit. I think you're a little shorter than me, Maddie. Put it in reverse here. You see nice backup camera. And then dual auto climate, heated seats. You probably don't need it quite on high, but I'll turn the heated seat on. It's a nice day. Go radio. Radio's made for dance. That sounds really good. I don't know, I don't see the branding on the radio, but that's a really nice sounding radio there. We'll run this around the block for you. These things get amazing fuel economy. I can't remember off the top of my head.
I want to say I was reading something like 39 or 40 on the highway.
Well, yeah, 40 miles to the gallon. It might be just under that. But for a car that sits 4 people comfortably, you don't need premium gas. This takes regular 87 ethanol, just a normal pump gas, and 40 miles to the gallon. Back in 2015 when I started at European Motors, I mean, we were raving about the diesel TDIs getting 40. Now you get 40 in just a regular gas car without the diesel downsides. I mean, and these are still a peppy car. This is not a a Toyota Prius that you're disappointed with the get up and go. This is still a turbocharged engine, tons and get up and go. We'll run it down the ramp here. Show this Powerwall reel in this Toyota in front of us. See, 50, 55, 60 miles an hour. I mean, just nice, straight and true. No shakes, no shimmies. Give us a call, 319-393-8496. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ready to go. My name is Tommy. Maddie's in the passenger seat. Gorgeous 2023 Volkswagen Jetta SE40. Or we'll say 39 miles to the gallon just in case. Amazing fuel economy. European Motors, Iowa. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. So if you're not in eastern Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, we can get it shipped right to your driveway. Or if you're local, stop on by and take a look at this vehicle for yourself. Really nice example of a 2023 Volkswagen Jetta. We do service these cars as well, so if you're local here, we can definitely get you helped out. Everything from routine maintenance to diagnostics and repairs. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.